Welcome to the Money Literate Academy. I'm so excited. Yes, I'm so excited. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make at least 1,000 Ghana cedis every single month for life. Yes, at least 1,000 Ghana cedis. That's even small. You can even make more than what I'm saying just with your smartphone. Yes, just with your smartphone. You see, there's a website called Nationton Republic. It's an online business and a powerful advertising platform created by Osel Yaoche and his team right away from Ghana. You can use this website to advertise your own products and services. You can use this platform to promote your business. You can use this platform to promote your company or organization. And most of all, you can also make money from just referring people. Yes, you can make instant income every single day from just referring people to the website. This is not a scam, not at all. This is not a scam. I've tried and tested it and it worked for me, and therefore I've decided to show you for you to also start your own journey on this platform. But first of all, let me show you how to register on the website and also start making money right away. So I'm going to take you through how you can register on this platform, Nationton Republic. So after watching this video, check in the description below for the link in which you are going to use to register for yourself. So when you click on the link, it will send you to the website. This is the interface of the website. So we have Nationton Republic. This is an affiliate marketing website. You can make money for yourself. You can, if you have products and services, you can register or you can advertise on this platform. This is affiliate marketing. And when we talk of affiliate marketing is when you sell or promote somebody's product and services or a company's product and services, and then you make money, you make commission for yourself. So this is the interface. You can go through it. You can read before you register. So I'll just go straight to the register. You click on the register. So here we have choose where you are from. Are you in Ghana or you are not in Ghana? If you're in Ghana, you select Ghana. If you are not in Ghana, you select I'm not in Ghana. So I'm from Ghana. So here we have choose type of account you want. So we have the starter account, which is 10 cedis for 2 months. This means that when you register with the 10 cedis, in 2 months time it will expire unless you upgrade or unless you register again. Do you get it? Then we also have personal account, which is 50 cedis for a whole year. So with this one, when you register the 50 cedis, you have to upgrade after 1 year. So after 1 year, you upgrade again or you register again with the 50 Ghana cedis. Then we also have business account, which is 100 cedis. It's also for 1 year. You get. So with the business account, if you have any courses, if you have any books, if you have ebooks, anything you have at all, any products at all, you can advertise it on this platform. And when you advertise it, this platform will show it to other people. So people see it, they come, they can buy your products and services on that platform. So you are not only going to make money for the referrals, you are also going to make money when people buy your products and services. So for me, I'm going for the business account. So you select the business account. So here you enter your first name. Then here too you enter your last name. So if your first name is Hadi, you enter Hadi. If your last name is Razak, you enter Razak. So because I'm using a business I'm registering for business. That's why I kept Money Literate Academy. It's the same name we are using for this YouTube channel. Then we also have username. Enter your username. Then you enter your phone number here. So when you enter your phone number, then here you enter your email address. You enter your email address and then you confirm your email address. Here, what you are going to do is that you are going to read very well. Follow steps below to pay membership fee of 10 Ghana cedis to the transaction ID. So here you are going to pay the amount of money you are registering. If you are registering 10 cedis, you pay 10 cedis. If you are registering 50 cedis, you pay 50 cedis. If you are registering 100 cedis, you pay 100 cedis. So this is the number you are going to pay. So if you want to pay to MTN, you use this number. If you want to pay to Airtel Tigo, you use this number. If you want to pay to Vodafone Cash, you use this number. So after paying, what you need is the transaction ID. So we have the transaction ID here. So after paying, you will need the transaction ID to fill this form. So I'm going to pay. So let me copy the number first. I'm going to copy the number in which I want to pay. I'm going to use the MTN to pay. So I'm going to copy. So *170. That's if you want to pay with MTN. If you are paying with Vodafone, *110 hash. So transfer money, Momo user. So I'm going to enter the amount, the number. So amount 100 cedis. If you are registering with 50 cedis, you enter 50 cedis. So reference, I can say business account or any this thing you want to use. If you are registering with the personal, you can write personal account. So you send. So transfer to Nationton Information Technology. So you enter your PIN, your Momo PIN. So if you enter your Momo PIN, you have sent 100 cedis to Nationton. Yes. So what we need is the transaction ID. So we have it here. This is the transaction ID. This is the transaction. We need the transaction ID. So I copy the whole of this. I'll paste it somewhere. So I'll paste it somewhere. I need only the transaction ID. So I copy the transaction ID. We copy the transaction ID. So when you copy the transaction ID, you go to the site again. So if you are paying with the MTN, the name is Nationton Information Technology. If you are paying to the Airtel Tigo, the name is Osai Yao. And so you have to read very well before you make your transaction. So here you enter your transaction ID. So we have 2638352642. So let me confirm the transaction ID 2638352642. So here you enter your password. So after you have finished entering your password, you accept to the terms and conditions and then you click on create account. So congrats, your account has been created successful. A message has been sent to your email with the activation link. Please check your email to activate your account. So a message has been sent to my email, so I'm going to check it out. I'm going to my email to check it out. So now I'm in my email address. I just received a message. So Nationton Republic, please activate your account. So I click on it. So we have, dear Money Literate Academy, your account on Nationton Republic has been created successfully. So click here to activate your account. So I'm going to click to activate my account. So you have successfully verified your email address. Log into your account now. You enter your email address and then password. So you enter your email address or your username and then password to log in. So I enter. So I've logged in, dear Money Literate Academy. Yes, your account is pending verification. Thank you for being part of Nationton Republic. So here they will verify my payment. So after they have verified my payment, another email will be sent to my email address. Yes. So they will use the transaction ID to verify my payment. So meaning another email will be sent again to finish the process. So you wait for like 30 minutes to 1 hour for your second message to be sent to your email. So the second message has been sent. Yes, order paid confirmation. They have confirmed my my registration. The transaction ID they have confirmed. So click here to log in into your account. So here you enter your email or username, then you log in. So when you log in, we have our Money Literate Academy. So here we have total approved, total paid, newly earned. So this is your dashboard. You can navigate through your dashboard. So this is how to register on the Nationton Republic website. In the next video, I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can start making money using the website, as well as how you can be able to withdraw your money right away. If this is your first time of reaching this channel, subscribe and press the notification bell for updates on new videos so that you don't miss any of our videos. The link to the next video is in the video's description. So check and click on it to watch the next video.